When it comes to boosting the curb appeal of your home in Houston, few improvements make as significant an impact as replacing your doors. While often overlooked, doors are one of the first things people notice when approaching your home. They serve not only as functional entryways but also as visual focal points that can dramatically influence the overall look and feel of your property. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to refresh your home's exterior, door replacement is an investment that delivers impressive results. First impressions matter. In real estate, the phrase, "You never get a second chance to make a first impression," rings true. The entrance to your home is the first thing visitors see, and it sets the tone for the rest of the property. A well-chosen door makes a statement about the style and care you've invested in your home. Whether you're drawn to a classic wood design, a sleek modern look, or something more ornate, a new door can serve as a striking visual element that immediately draws attention. In a city like Houston, where homes range from traditional to contemporary, there's a door design for every aesthetic. A fresh, high-quality door can give your home an elegant, inviting, and cohesive appearance that enhances its curb appeal. Increased energy efficiency. Houston's climate can be extreme, with hot summers and mild winters. One of the biggest benefits of replacing your door is improving your home's energy efficiency. Older doors may have weathered over time, causing drafts and allowing air to escape or enter your home. This makes your HVAC system work harder, increasing energy bills and reducing overall comfort. When you invest in a modern door, especially one with energy-efficient features like insulated cores or double glazing, you can help regulate your home's temperature more effectively. Not only does this keep your home comfortable year-round, but it also saves you money in the long run. As a bonus, a home that is better insulated will have a reduced carbon footprint, which is a win for both your wallet and the environment. Security and safety. Your front door is also one of the most important elements in keeping your home secure. Older doors, especially those made of less durable materials, can be easy targets for burglars. A door replacement gives you the opportunity to upgrade to stronger, more secure options. Modern doors are built with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and materials like steel or fiberglass, which provide superior security. By upgrading to a new, high-quality door, you can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing that your home is safer. A sturdy, secure entryway also sends a message to potential intruders that your home is well protected and not an easy target. Enhance your home's value. If you're thinking about selling your home in Houston, a door replacement is an excellent way to increase its market value. Curb appeal plays a huge role in attracting potential buyers, and a beautiful, new front door can make your property stand out among the competition. A stylish, updated door is often one of the first features buyers will notice during a home tour, and it can influence their first impression of the home. In addition, a door replacement is a relatively low-cost investment compared to other home improvement projects, yet it can yield a high return on investment, ROI. Buyers tend to appreciate modern, high-quality doors that offer both aesthetics and functionality, and they are likely to perceive your home as well maintained. Low maintenance and durability. Modern doors are built to last, and choosing a door made from durable materials can significantly reduce maintenance requirements. Unlike traditional wooden doors that may require regular painting or refinishing, doors made of fiberglass, steel, or other materials often come with long-lasting finishes that resist fading, warping, and damage from weather. In a city like Houston, where humidity can take its toll on materials, opting for a low-maintenance door is not only practical but cost-effective. The time and money saved on upkeep can be better spent elsewhere in your home, allowing you to enjoy the beauty and durability of your door without constant maintenance. Conclusion. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to enhance its exterior, door replacement is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's curb appeal. From adding visual interest and style to enhancing energy efficiency, security, and value, the benefits of upgrading your doors are clear. In Houston, where the climate and style preferences can vary widely, choosing the right door for your home can make all the difference in how it's perceived. So, if you're considering a home improvement project that will provide lasting value and make a noticeable impact, don't overlook the power of a new door.